This is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we got our hands on the eero Pro 6E tri-band mesh Wi-Fi system. This is the 2-pack. This comes with a router and an extender. You can get a 3-pack, you can just get a router. There are many options available, but let's take a look at the box. This is the front, top. Here's one of the sides, 100% recyclable, it says. Here is this side. Text pull. This side. And then we have the bottom. All right, let's go ahead and get this opened up. In another video that we had, we opened up an older version of this. You can take a look at that video as well to get a good example of what a different option will be. All right, this is a nice little open up. We have the two devices. As the back, it's powered by USB-C, it looks like. And then you have your two plugs. This one. This also has two plugs. So one of these is going to be our router. That's it for the box. We have an instruction: download, unplug, begin, discover. Just a quick few steps. Power cord number 1, USB-C, that's very nice. 27 watts, so presumably if you had anything else that was 27 watts, that could work. And then we have the second one, also 27 watts. And an Ethernet cable to plug in your modem. Interesting. These are the same model numbers, so perhaps we got two routers. We'll have to take a look. All right. Well, if you do have any comments or questions, if there's something else you'd like us to take a look at unboxing, please leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see a review of this device or any of the other devices that we've unboxed, please also leave that below in one of the comments. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, binge, all the above. Have a great day.